diyfidgetofficial, and today we're going to be making a homemade slime without glue or activator. First, of course, you're going to need a bowl, then you need flour, and then you need any kind of lotion, and then some dish soap, and a spoon to mix it. First, you put your dish soap, then put some lotion, then mix them. And this is how it should look. Now only dump a tiny bit of flour at a time. Okay, that was not a tiny bit. So we added the rest of the flour, and it should start doing this when it's going together. Now after a tiny bit of mixing, you have to knead it with your hands. And that's how you make it.
Strange, but I hope I could turn it, give and take.